Welcome to Viggy Vibes. Hit the like button and subscribe. And if you can't become a channel member, hit the join button. Thank you. Now enjoy the show. Now enjoy the show. Welcome to Viggy Vibes. Hit the like button and subscribe. And if you can become a channel member, hit the join button. Thank you. Now enjoy the show. Thank you. Now enjoy the show.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy. We make now videos.
Mostly of Yiddish.
If I'm finding the hand take a video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Was it helps me in the channel out tremendously. So
Thank you for that.
ook dat je kent weer naar channel member. That would be greatly appreciated. So tell yourself in the channel. See the next level. Van guys wat te willen zorgen, maar dit is niet. Dat is actual advice. So ja, dit is niet trading school, dit is niet financial advice, we nemen tijd te doen. De market is direct met alles voor die host, alles voor die kansen. Niet te veel over die host. So please be very careful. Prachtig, kijk eens hoe met je kind bespeelt. Play-Doh and Lego, be an adult as well. Alright, let's get the show started. How's everybody doing? JB. Good morning, all the way Finn. Like me Sharana Azad challenge. Greece? No, it's niet Greece. Welke flag it is? Good morning. It's the Kadu show. Panama. Yeah, but I can think it, JB. You know what I mean? There was a lot going on. Maybe I need some get this yet. A lot going on. Hope that you enjoy seeing them in it. You know how lucky and fortunate you are. Is it going on Peter? If you'll be Peter mission going about 10 years today. Is it going on for Peter, mother? $9:04. 26 minutes, you might put open. Jim with a J. Good morning. A very high budget friendly. Nice, okay. Maybe something us layman people. Kind of voorstel naar elkaar voor de lucht. Jim with a J. Dus ik weet dan Peter. Nice. Get to hitting, Jim. But dat houdt nou ooit op. NAOV. Zijn zie ik uit de 4:15 mark. Ik heb gezien paar video's in Williamsburg. So a stickle situation went on between ultra film heaven and not so ultra film heaven. Also ich verstanden von der Kontext von der Video. Wenn ich 100% sicher, I could be totally right. You know what I'm saying? But eine von den Videos bin ich sehr concerned because at the end, die alle Hebren, die just change their skin color, sie pinkt also wie der andere Volk. Dezelfde means setzen the cars, dezelfde mit der Meidlich. And it's just sad. Just sad. You know, ze fliegt einmal sagen, drank Shakira auf dem Floor, okay. But the Weg, wie das ist gegangen, I felt like I'm watching a Minnesota video in the BLM riots, which was, it just shows you wie der dort gefallen, wie mir es umgekommen. Das geschehen auch, aber merkt der Europäer, sag mir wie anything, wie man cherished. Man kijkt nur darauf Geld bei uns. So, ich habe gesehen auf Sterren, die hat sein Mann. Voelt mit der ganzen Escort mit Lights. Mee, weil hat Geld. Wenn der Mann soll es dienen, muss mir da eine Tipp haben. Terrible. But to go and prioritize money. We sehen ein Video, wir gehen also wie auf der Spectrum ein bisschen danach. Brooklyn! Morgen. Yeah, things are good. It was good. Thank you, though. Ich habe geendigt der Live, by the way, Brooklyn, mal raus auf dem Porch und alles, was ich gewähnt in mir, ist rausgekommen. I got lucky there. Oh, you bet it's honest. Oh, so definitely tired. I'll agree with that. So gesehen, wir sitzen auf meinem Phone, wir gehen auf der Spectrum-Brief, und dann bin ich dort geflogen, ein bisschen Statuses, ja, ein bisschen Sachen. Inmitten sehe ich ein Video, ich habe mir gegeben, der Energy, die man nimmt auf ein Yid, wo es hat geendigt 40 Mal Schaß, was aber Mitzvah. Und er hat sich mit Stampf verheert, alles, was an 15, als an Style. Didn't have a single drink. Alright, I drank for you. So ich kick auf the energy von der Video. Lass mich uns gehen, ein 30-sekundige Video, 20, I don't remember how long. Und ich bekomme die Vibe, als man nimmt einem auf, du wirst die ganze Teure auf seinen Spitz von seinem Finger. And at the end of the video sage ich, nein, sie sagt einfach, ob es ein Äuscher, und man geht, man nimmt ihm auch wegen Geld. I was like, man. Man hat sich definitely gedreht. The society is definitely gechanged. I don't think we could, it's going to be a hard way to come back from. BM. Good morning. Hello and welcome. How are you? How did you enjoy your holiday? Brooklyn, but we just enjoyed on holiday overall. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Yes, I think then do give us a consider liking. Oh, subscribing. You know, you can be a channel member. That would be greatly appreciated. Call me. Good morning, call me. How you doing? This wasn't, that's making the video. I'm not even discussing him. I'm discussing the vibe around him. I should know something about vibes, huh? Viggy vibes. Joking. But I'm saying the vibe I didn't mean, because the Menschen nehmen ihm auf. Weg wir so mit Kick dem Mund, weg wir so mit Trieten. What was the fight in Willie? Again, ich habe nicht verstanden exactly, but wieso ich habe es gesehen, als sie da rangekommen, der Frimme wollten uns geriefen, der Schwache. Und sie haben getan, whatever sie haben gedacht, die mit im Idle Music, im Idle Kleider. Und es hat sich ausgebrochen als ein Stück Fight, or something. Big deal is... No, es hat gar nicht mit... Es hat gar nicht mit dem. Es ist just the Weg, wie so Menschen ein Rime merken. Yankee T. Music is too high. What about now? Fight is never good, exactly. Sam, Libbo. Umgepokt, alles geht's. Definitely. Definitely, Sam. Aber es nächsten durchgeschmissen mit einem. Als man verstellt sich schon nicht. Sie kommt in a colorful Hemd. In welchem Auskicken wie... In so Skin, wie Auskicken wie dem Go. Das ist geworden der Kastel. Da keiner verstellt sich nicht. Da muss man sich verstellen. Und nicht die ganze Idee von jedem sich zu verstellen. Nicht da rauszugehen, wie sie die bist auskicken ein ganzes Jahr. YG. Hello and welcome. Good morning, good morning. How you doing? $9.12. 18 minutes to mark it open. How was the party? My party was amazing. I can't imagine of the live set. Peter and Viggy. Everybody should be welcome in every place. Yes, Jim, that would be the thing. But that boat has sailed. But according to your voice, it's still high. CG. Good morning, good morning. But no decomplexing the music, I'm not sure. This year compared to previous years, there was barely any DUI interest. That's good, that's good. The oil bit cleaner, or the report finding it. What about now? The music was better? Shaya! Good morning, good morning. How you doing, how you doing? Where is Little Red Riding? She went riding away. Alright, mind if I what the issue is? What about now? What about now? Is it better? Alright. This is the settings. I'm forgetting the settings. What about now? Now it's good? Yes, okay. Good, good, good. Thank you. Your pies were cute. Yes, last minute situation. Last minute change of situation. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it was. Peter is definitely changing. Is the puppy feeling better? Yes. Thank you for not checking, Jim. Ich meine, sie gehabt ein Stück also wie ein Flu or something. Jeden. Darf jede, pa. She took medication. Yeah, she didn't take. We gave her medication. I gave him aspirin. Doggy aspirin. לעולם, אוי לעולם, מדבר זכרי דמונה HYPR, HYPR. לעולם, מדבר זכרי למונה באמונה. Zach! Good morning. Flight attendant was too shy. That's good. Shy is good, by the way. Zach, how are you? How was your trip? How's it going? La 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 la. Ich habe gesagt, irgendwie, aber gesagt, dass Pirem hat sich gechanged. Ich habe einer reingeschickt, ein Video von einem Gast in Wilhelmsburg, wie wir getanzen. Es hat ausgekickt wie der amulige Pirem. Aber ich habe gesagt, funny though, aber kiek von welcher Mensch man zoomt daran. Man zoomt mich daran von der Uremann. It all became about money, sadly. Like literally in our faces. Ms. Moichel jenems de Avitis. Right away, just because I'm bank account to fill. Pit kitchu beriche, la la la. Viggy is the rich people hater? All right, I'll take that. I'll take that. Is Pizza Guy gonna make an appearance? You guys should leave comments, not of the live, but of videos, to add the pressure and he'll come, if you get what I'm saying, Brooklyn. Now, the oil will him hearing, darf man requesten. Jim, we're going with what you said. But can you refute was ich so gabe? Ja, and by the way, it's nicht the mention, it's nicht the there you go. It's nicht the, to be honest, it's nicht the mensch itself, it's the people around him what happens, the nest. Wo suche ich nach his neue Podcast? Der mit Abby Steinl. Ich war ein bisschen beruhigt, ich noch geben mal Review. Ich habe getracht, wir machen ein Review, not live. So, you know what I mean? A private Review und noch den posten. Ich habe noch geleint ein bisschen die Comments. The comments is pretty funny. Abby Steinl. He belongs in hell. Zach, you gotta watch who you say should go to hell, because if hypothetically you get to hell, you're gonna be there with them. Ooh, you gotta watch. Why not live? Ich habe getracht, was du emotions, und auch damit du sein Herren Tanas. And because einer is wrong mit 95% von seinen Sachen, meint nicht, he's not gonna say 2-3 things good or valid. In der Sache kann es werden, also wie, jetzt ist man auf der Train von Haken. You know what I mean? Some people have extreme peer pressure. Well, ich habe gemeint, du bist kliegenrach und äußer und ich weiß, wo du willst. Die falls war peer pressure, aber das ist witzig. Ich kann das nicht auf. Ist auch eine Sache, was man kickt darauf. Sinds als Kind. Jeder Kind was, ich will sein Oisher, ich will geben, Piram. It's not about the helping the people, it's just about them giving. Twisted. It became twisted. So wenn man gefragt, dem Jingel, wo willst du sein, wenn you grow up? Sagt der Doktor. Fragt man, wie viel willst du machen? Sagt er nicht exactly sicher, wie viele Menschen er will machen happy, but a Sach. Interesting, he's willing to talk about everything, but not his son. The question is if his son is really identifying as a son. Maybe it's identifying as a butterfly. You know what I'm saying? So when he's asking him, do you have a son? Nope. I got a butterfly, sir. And by the way, ich habe nicht kein Issue, wenn ein Mann will sich umziehen wie eine Frau. I get that. Das ist nicht das Problem. Du bist mehr feminine. Du willst sein eine Mädel. That's okay. But werden eine Mädel. Changing your biology to werden eine Mädel. This is where the argument starts. Du willst gehen mit Make-up und du hast mehr feminine... I don't know. Bist aufgewachsen mit Mädlich, so du willst... heranfitten? Sure. Do what you gotta do. But werden eins. Brooklyn, sind nicht kein Campo. Ich bin nicht kein Interviewer, weil man da fragen the right questions. Ich kann nur mehr schmiss. Aber warum ich? Well, I prefer you to watch with your commentary. It's more. But the question is, es machen live. Ich treffe nicht das machen live, also bin ich ruhiger. Ich will nicht darauf tanzen auf ein Bandwagon. Jetzt ist alles wrong. Because when sie kommt zu humans are cuckoo. He belongs in crazy house. He hates us all and he doesn't bother showing us. Okay, but that's him. Or her. And by the way, wenn ich rief a some Mensch, was will man soll riefen her, rief ich her, also wie die Nummer wohl gewinnt Yitzchak. Ich nehme raus the meaning von as her meint a Meidl. In her is a Nummer. Her Stein, you know what I'm saying? A feminine Viggy would be Sally. We saw Sal. Sal? Slay. Oh, Schnitzelberger. okay, Brooklyn. Wat man davon hat mit Premises, also es ist okay, als ein Sucher will gehen mit einem Kleid. Das ist nicht keine neue Sache, by the way. In India, or somewhere, du a Platz wie Zechurim Tien, Zechurim wie eine Kaivas. In der Muschel in India, zwei Zechurim halten sich Hand, Friends, wachen herup. Es ist beklau nicht, was man consider do. Okay, you know what I'm saying? So das sagt sich mit Norms in Sachen. Und ich verstehe, mit Maren Madison kann man manipulaten the body, so as a Sucher kann oben Tits and changing the, but sie macht noch halt sich kein Mädel. The question is, wo darf man changen in einem Mensch, also werden ein Mädel? Aber man macht aber changed hand. The question fängt sich an, also wenn einer kauft ein Schiff, ein holzenes Schiff, und fängt an changen Planks von dem Schiff. Noch 50 Jahren mal gechanged alle Planks. Warum hat das noch die Nummer von der ersten Buyer? Matthew. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Welcome. So the question is, when man changed, man kauft a hose, and man changed alle Hälse. Does it change? You get my question? Is es noch derselbe Hose? Ist es noch derselbe Schiff? Ja, aber sag, stamm dir sagen, weil die verstehst es nicht. Don't mean nothing. Vergiss nicht, dass du alle meine humans. Humans are a weird situation. So du Sachen mich gassen, was man darf anlegen in der Kategorie wie, okay, sie haben mich gas, aber sie jenem mich gas. Und wir können es sich judgen. But over the question is, was darf man so auch wenn man trefft einem Toit in der Wald, was macht jenem? If she is a narcissist to the next level, but Nachi should have confirmed if she is what type of fruit. Welche type fruit? A boxer, huh? A boxerboom. Jim, thank you. 3 minutes in market open, 9:27. Parido. Ik wil kijken op Navio. Das ist definitiv nicht aushören. Definitely nicht, das nicht. Nobody's got to do nothing. Von welcher Message redest du? Kitchen ist daran gelagt in Matthews Account. And by the way, stam zu reviewen the podcast dort. In stam unheiben mit a level of hate is nicht interessant. I feel as he's wrong. Oder is wrong. 9:28. 2 minutes. Exactly, Jim. Jens macht dich nicht kein Mann. So was macht ein Mann ein Mann? That is the question. Can you also review goyische songs? So wenn sich welche, ich bin nicht ein Fan. Again, ich kann reviewen, but as a shine song, then yeah. I mean, I'm saying like, ich habe nicht a preference for Yiddish. It happens to be, ich liebe Yiddish. It just happens to be. Him makes him. Was macht a Sucher? Viggy gets busy in 1 minute. Yeah. Agreed, Jim. Thank you. She can lose 50 pounds. Ich habe gesagt, dass wenn Abby es wäre nach alles, der erste Mal am Mädel, was wird achusen. If she gets engaged, it will be the first color in history to become in their history to become achusen. Ich will try, Matthew, zu geben the. Market is open. We're gonna take it easy. Maya noilam habu. Maya noilam habu. Shabbos manichu. Penny G. Good morning. Sam. NAOV ist umgekommen zu wie Wappel. Test wie Wappel. Go, die bist du. Hello and welcome. Mach jetzt der Mann von Go. So. Was macht der Sucher? Was macht eine Kaiwa? Du musst mir davon nehmen. Hey, go. Focusing. Yeah. I'm with you. Focus, my man. Focus. Bene, la. Noilam habu. So yeah, today going to the previous question. Sally, good morning. Hello and welcome. How was your morning? Sitting in traffic. Oi vai, Pinigi. Ich denke, ich gearbeitet für einen und ich habe gedacht, Schule machen mit der Matzev wegen Traffic. Ich habe es rausgesnappt für meinen Kopf und es hat mich keinmal nicht aufgeregt. What makes a cat being a cat? Als mich auch gefragt mit der Question. Es ist nicht keine Question zu challengen, es ist eine Question unzuheben, zu verstehen, wie, wo es, wenn man arbeitet. With what we're working with. Stamm sagen, was macht der Katz a Katz? I'm guessing the DNA from the cats. He annoys me. Schnitzelburger. Bei 240, das gewinnt dabei, GLMD, was ich bin nicht gewinnt, available though. Okay? Kann ich noch laufen. Not gonna run after this. In this hat dasselbe, 290. He's not a good interview. Ay. Sally is tired. Tired of BS. NAOV aber gehad größere hopes. So getouched 415, but decided that it's again. It's not just DNA, he was born as a cat and he can't change because he can't become a horse. What makes... Okay, so wieso ich verstehe es? Lass mir das nehmen. A male makes a male only one thing. I'm short on NOVO. Kijk dus, jij gaat een shortel. Kijk dus, jij gaat een shortel, wat je da Puma getraaid 415. Pre-market ook het. 2-3 mal. So, we gotta watch out. Let's consult the Torah. Sally! Wieso ich verstehe es, hat es nicht mit der body structure and the YY and the XY chromosomes. Weil wenn du kiekst zurück auf a Skeleton von 1000 Jahren zurück, kann man wissen, sie ist gewesen a female oder a male. So nicht du gar nicht in between. So ergens wie droppt man the line und man sagt, Des macht dich in die Kategorie und des macht dich in die Kategorie. De Aura. De Aura. Jim, what's that one thing? But it's just a body part. Und wenn nimmt up eine body part, ist aus, wo der body part macht. Like, die nimmst ein Mensch, die nimmst ihm, lass mal sagen, die rief ihm Yitzchak. I'm not trying to challenge. Ich try zu bauen eine Baseline. Wie fängt man an? Was meint etwas? Was meint das? Wenn du nimmst ein Mensch, der heißt Yitzchak. Nimmst du ihm auf die Hand, heißt er Yitzchak? I think it's going to come in Matthew. That's what I wanted to say. There is chemical imbalances, but in a kleine percent fin the population, she didn't have a womb. A womb. Es ist schon eibig gewesen, Menschen, die am gewollt sein, mehr feminine und mehr nekaiwürdig. Abby is a crossdresser. Ja, sie do drag queens. Ich habe schon geredet, drag queens, wo seine Geherig sich hören. They just like to get dressed as the drag queen. It's a part von sie. She can put in a womb. Is he a man mit a womb? So, lass mal zurück an meine question. Wenn du ein Mensch heißt Yitzchak, man nimmt ihn mal auf die Hände in die Fies, heißt er noch Yitzchak? Yes. Wusstest du, nimmst du mal auf die Ohren mit der Nuss, heißt er Yitzchak? Yes. Nimmst du mal raus am Bauch, ist er Yitzchak? Yes. Nimmst du mal raus an Hips, noch als Yitzchak? When does someone go from being Yitzchak to not being Yitzchak? That is my question. Nicht, als ich hatte Territz. Wow, go, I get the... Woo, I get the short. Ich short nicht, but get the short. Good for you. Reality is reality. Yeah, but das sagt mir, reality can be different for that zweit. And I'm not trying to... Ich nehme mich ganz satt. Exit bei 322. Ja, die bist schon in draußen. Good for you. Go, green. Panamana. You only made $15 is mehr wie 14, Brüder. Wie viele Menschen nach einer ganzen CRVO? We gotta take the wins. $15 is a green day. Up from 7 a.m. Okay, that's nothing crazy. You need to make at least $100 an hour. We zoeken a green day is a green day. Akon. Wat dit zich doen met Akon? So zurück to the question. Was macht Yitzchak? Now, it's because I'm Yankee. Ich habe nicht gemeint, dass Yitzchak. Ich habe noch nicht Yitzchak als Nummer. So that is the question. Was macht Yitzchak? Zurück ein auch to the question, wenn einer hat ein Schiff. And I changed the planks, all the wood in the Schiff. Changed the Nummern. Sind noch dasselbe alte Schiff. Das ist schon alles gechanged. By the way, wegen Handnacht, ich hab a gig Handnacht. So, we're not gonna be able to go live tonight. I just got, not just, but this morning I got confirmed a gig for tonight. So, sorry everybody. Monday night will be postponed. Die nimmst jede Trade. Du malest also, du gesroenes also. Bitcoin 83,000. QQQ. Ba ba. Wie houdt man da? Es kijkt aus wie der Market will Hand darauf voeren. Also kijkt es aus ein bisschen. Ich meine, es ist jedem, Sally. Ich meine, es ist jedem. Depending on the, not everybody, but... How was the Piram? How was the overall Piram, if you have to rate it? So we hebben iemand me gevraagd te raten. Pa. Hangover. Wir nicht auf mit trinken Wasser. A sach Wasser. Equivalent. Kamat jeder Kopf Wein, 2 Cups Wasser. GLMD. Ja, ich habe gesehen, aber ich habe es verpasst. Ich gehe nicht noch laufen. So I stop at 290. I'm not gonna run after it. Der Buy von mir wohl gewesen bei 241. Bei 240. Und jetzt wollte ich gewinnen in der Osten bei 340. Oh, Brooklyn, when was when was put him? There's some cool thing do in the background. There's an AI for them? So, Go, the GLMD will ich nicht noch laufen. So geht da raus für mein Strategy. My strategy will gedacht sein bei 240. Ich habe es gesehen bei 290 auf Hold, so I was like, no, I'm not gonna buy it. I short. I don't do that, but... You don't know about... Du hast das auf der Daily. 362. It lines up mit anderen. 343. CRVO is against you. This actually going to get a mix. I don't know who this mix is. Kapapaz though. Should have listened to you Go before. Gehadu allein. Alright. Ich habe reingeklotzt. Ich habe andere Prospects. So, wir sehen wegen der Review von Abby. Von Rebbetzin Abby. But the question is, was geschehen zu einem also? I don't know. In ogen darf man teilen, by the way, the difference between a kind and an adult. Sie is an adult. Hey, Wiz. A lot of drama. Yeah. Well, this would have been a perfect CRV over game perfect von mir. Es war gegangen von 7:45 to 8:45. Missed it. The next resistance is $10. Ist ein schlechter Mix. GES wil bregen. Ta-da-pam. Jim is a Jeremiah? I didn't know that. Somebody's just playing around. All right. I'll stay away from you playing around. Dolem greift sich schon verpeisig. Einer hat mich gefragt, sich machen a Cider live. That would have been a cool idea. I'm actually about to spastic yesterday. Soon it'll be like, please add another $5 for the next 15-minute chat. I'll be like, oh, don't say it in public. What are you doing? Ruining the allure. Let's do is alles. That we got the peoples. Oh, wow. Good one. Ich bin in a trade in GES. $12.20 is Marcel. Will nur erschrecken, du Apur Oilem. 12.20 is my sell point. Lass mal sehen, was geschehen. Sally, I used to take Krav Maga in Muncie of the 202. Is a vielleicht sein ein Mensch dort now, so never met that guy before. And I took me as a mathematician or whatever man rief das. So frag him, how's your wife deal with it? Like how do sie is auch a mathematician. Just imagine. So I made fun of him. I was like, if she gives you one loction and then tomorrow another loction, do you guys laugh at that it's two? Ich hab mich umgekickt, wie er getrasket von der Laguna, Italia. Game get the thing. Yeah, it always kicked the a very idle guy. Like I can see him have a timer in his car, how long the percentages he has to live and everything. Be like, if I make this left out of this driveway, I have a 40% chance of hitting. Very nerdy people. By the way, when is they nerdy people, then it's noch zurück in the Ice Age. You know what I mean? In the Stone Age. The nerds never care for it. Tony. I would say Valza are so into numbers that they have different perspective on the world. So a regular layman can connect with that. I don't know if it's a cool way of looking at the world. I think it's I don't know. Imagine trachten jede Sache in numbers, in percentages, in the percentage of me choking on this pretzel is 1 out of Ash on the damn pretzel. No, I'm still making the calculation. Do you know what I mean? But it's sad when einer is a math nerd and can get numbers and wächst auf in a family was man respect nicht die Sachen. That could be terrible. RGC 703 geblieben stuck. Aber ich darf noch werden sach besser. Zahlt man sich stark, also du kannst checken VWAP. GES VWAP. But be careful with that pretzel. But if I soak it in water, the percentages goes up with just a tinsy tat. You know what I mean? Then he chokes on the pretzel and be like, damn it, it was the salt. RGC is Chinese garbage. Oy vey. Tovat. Well, 12:44. 12:20 is my sell point. So my waard, my zentjes komt erop testen nog eenmaal. No, I don't think it has to do with math, Penny. Could we just have a good memory? Oder kennst du die Haschlieb number, the statistic. Best of the spectrum, which is also not a problem. Wenn du es gesucht hast, you remember phone numbers. Gedenkst die alte Video, wie einer schreit, he's choking, call 911. And the Meidl fragt, what's the number? What words not? Kennst du die bist ein bisschen auf the... You know what I'm saying? Hast du Sache mit numbers. Das ist kein negative. Wo ist geschehen, Brooklyn? Mal gepickt, live hat gepickt eine andere Situation für dich? I'm guessing criminal law. I would have to guess as a gegangen für criminal. Ja, bye, 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 bye. Was meint es legal analysts? What does that consist of? Ich tue sie gein in Google und frage ich dir. Nicht alles weiß ich. Lambdas. I see what you say. I mean, I think I know what you're saying. I guess I brecht door wie wat. Ben ik oud. Ah, that's lambdas. GLMO, GLMD, heb ik verpast. Past about a third try. Brooklyn, keiner keert nicht weg, try. Wie viel tries? Ich denke, wenn ich mich geworden nach EMT, so keiner keert nicht, wie viel Mal du hast getried. Der Rang, der hast gepasst, hast du gepasst. Viggy have a full of nerds. I'll take that. Ich habe nicht kein Issue mit Nerds. Viggy, damn auto. Yeah, no issue. I guess that makes me a nerd. Or the king of nerds. I'm joking. Ich bin nicht gut mit Numbers, ich bin nicht gut mit der Sachen. I am no nerd. Go will be the judge on that, okay? Kim mich heran, du, I'm not a nerd, okay? Go, bist ein riesiger Nerd. Joking, I'm joking. Can you imagine the nerd going, I am not a nerd? And everybody's like, hello, du bist in the nerd room. Like, what are you saying? Go. Self-hate is it's something we can work on. Go, we're just pulling your nerdy leg. Mein Kopf sucht mich dann zu sein draußen, but, to be honest, the strategy called us by 12.20 darf ich sein draußen. $12.20 instead noch 35 cents. So we're gonna be sitting. Brooklyn, and I'm baking. Ba. Do you identify? No, not really. I never thought I'm a nerd. Ich weiß nicht, was macht mich ein Nerd. Owning a bank. Kijkt ons wie deze tag gaat de andere weg. 27. Zijn maar 7 cent weg. What's happening? So Brooklyn sucht sie machen es easier. But do they enjoy their money? Do they feel like they are worth something? They do something they like. A degree, I think in some of the wrong outlook of college and of degree. There are certain things, was nicht gegangen zu a doctor, was hat nicht kein college degree. But meint nicht, weil hat a college degree equals I get a doctor. Daf passion. There are things that you have to learn in school. Deze heb ik ook bemerkt bij Piram. Als ins focus men nur auf Geld, man kijkt nur auf Geld. So any andere Sache in their life, kijkt man nicht darauf auf. It's not interesting. So lohnt sich nicht. So wie einer sagt, oh, kann ich einen Doktor? $300,000 a Jahr. Dann fragt sie mir, was meint $300,000 a Jahr? Like, who do you think makes $300,000 a year? And if you do, you're in the top 1% of the world. 2%. Von 8 billion Menschen. Hatten sie mir so spoiled. It's terrible. GES is playing with the nerves. With the nerves. It's a different discussion. But it's kick me this off. Also, it's like, can't even explain it. And they do it in front of their faces. Im Morgen verliert jener de Geld, kijkt man hem wie een naar en alles endigt zich. But it's okay. We'll survive this one as well. We will survive. CRVO was going such a good trade for me. I am not sure why I wasn't in it. VT. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. By the way, as I hope you give us a food with the like button. Yeah, but I hit the like button, so I got such a long way, you wouldn't even knew. CVPO? Schraub ist raus. I'm doing of night. Ba Hashem is barach, what did I believe? I thought you were saying that, but I wasn't really I was like, I don't know, I'm not sure. The egg shaker is out. Listen, I get the mood when it's out. Ich wette es an nur geht. Nothing of it. Ich wette es an nur geht. Oh, we're going to drug music, I guess, huh? So wait, Sally, are we scaring all the non-nerds? Are we scaring them away? What's drug music? For them, most probably like festival music. Move like mit tanzen Horror, gewinnt wild. Music, was macht dich tanzen uncontrollably. Ay. CG, welcome back. Where is Dovet? I'm guessing he's working at Arbet. Let him shake them on nerdy boots. Puss in Boots. Look out with a hat. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Yo, copycat Viggy vibe. What are you doing? Hello and welcome. Jetzt können wir reingehen in der Logic, von wo die hast gegeben dieselbe Nummer. Lass mal nicht vergessen, dass du es misspelled, Vibes. But, nicht jetzt, der vorige Mal. Aber was ist der Logic? Was ist die Sache? Ich etwas eine Sache hast du. Ich tue nicht Instagram live. I should really do Jealous-Gram live. But ich darf auch mal bessere Setup und Sachen, so. I'm kind of pushing it off. Eventually, man going. Okay, I guess Viggy, the falsche Viggy vibe, the copycat Viggy vibes will nicht engaging in conversation. Ba, 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 ba. You're talking about the Instagram live, Sally? The reason I don't want to do it is because ich will nicht open Jealous-Gram auf meinem Phone. Was ist Jealous-Gram? Es ist just to machen other people jealous, and I used to get jealous. Did anybody get that message? Es hat gar nicht mit Kosher. Es ist jealous. Ooh, groovy. That's a hologram. Okay, so Jim, how I could explain it, das verstehe, wie ich sehe es. Ich habe getraut, ich habe mal ein Picture von einem. Ich habe gesehen, wie einer hat ein Picture aufzulegen auf Instagram, Jealous-Gram. Man macht sich ready, man will auflegen, der beste Self. Man will wissen von jedem, wie geht's ist. Und technically bist du nicht gut. In der zweiten, wo sie bekackt, steht daheim und geht, oh my God, kiek rund, sie sind du in der Shop oder sie sind nirgends wie auf der Beach and they're so happy. Sie sind aber nicht happy. Sie sind attacked by the beach, by their work. And everybody does that. So, ich sehe sie an in deinem Brain sucht als jener hat a good time, wird man jealous. More bittel teurer. Sally, that's your own worry. It's the lines of that worry you have by yourself. Man lacht nicht wenn I'm worried, but I'm saying that's not what I'm worrying about. Oh, Jim. There's no bittle toilet for women? Izzy. Hello and welcome, Izzy. How you doing, Izzy? Hello and welcome. Maybe Abby. Izzy, darf man change do the ratio von Nerds zu normale Menschen. Oh yeah. We came to this planet to click it on Instagram. Izzy's also a nerd. Oi vai. Why is Instagram more from YouTube? Okay, ich will sagen. Ich rede nicht von den Shorts, weil ich die Shorts. Ich kicke nicht Shorts. Ich nutze YouTube für my music, for knowledge, for pushing time. So hat definitely auch ein paar davon. But Instagram, if you think about it, what do you gain from Instagram? Die Sache, andere Menschen posten a split second of the choreographed time dich zu wasen, as they having a good time, while they're not even having a good time. Why did you just listen to? We need to bring up Yoili. Welche Yoili? Dance, dance, dance. Are you continuing the schmooze with Shmuley? Oh, Jolly, doch. Ich weiß nicht, ihr geht wel gehabt mal schlepp. Geht nicht wel kommen. Why would he want to come? Hat eigene situation. Ba-da-bam. Although hat ganz gute points. Macht gute points. Somewhere, somehow, he makes good points sometimes, you know? In this ist schwer, weil ob die disagrees mit einem, und jener macht ein guter Point, darf man sich herubrechen und sagen, ja, good point, it's good point. Jim, if you say that he changed, then yes. But if he never changed, he can never come back because he never left. Can we bring up Abby's ex for... Oh, that would be nice. That would be interesting. Broken clock is right twice today. Sadly, it's not even to get this attention. It happens. It happened. So people want to understand. What does it mean? What does the Rebbe say to Sally? I mean to Abby? Und so sein auch es Yomi, wir soll gehen und kommen. Wir schwach so schon kommen. Und wir gehen also mit der End. Oh, aber das hat so gesound. Ja, was out to see me, many lay no woman. Ich warte GES zu machen einen Move. Oder darauf, oder darauf. Coastet in bei 12:37. But in a perspective in Zande Erste hat Abby knocked out of the ballpark. Und man redt von clever exiting in Propaganda mit alle Sachen. Well played. I didn't live this experience. Ich meine aber, Jim, es steht auch in die Gemüse wegen der Sachen. It's not a new phenomenon. It's not a new Sache, als der Churen will seine Kaivas. Das ist schon in die Gemüse, das ist schon auch... Not speaking for the Rebbe. Come on, Sally. Speak for the Rebbe. It's about damn time. Somebody's got to speak up for the Rebbe. Why would you let other Hasidim speak up for the Rebbe? Mi Pizarroi. They want to know the plumbing downstairs. But if that doesn't make you a male or a female, then it's irrelevant. Brooklyn. Als dan Huha machtig is Kamaidl, then Is es a Meidl mit a Huha? Chayam, Jamie. This is the unexpected. You can't, weiß ich man, don't expect anything. Then an instant classic. Listen. I'm thinking about it. A Sucher was wird aufgewachsen mit Meidlich in a Haus. And that's his experience. I could understand for was a 5-jähriger Jingle, was hat 4 Schwesters, soll sich wählen und in a Kleid und spielen mit a Doll und in Make-up. The outwardly things, I would get that. But what's the difference of body parts? How would a 5-year-old person know this body part, that body part? That doesn't make you or break you. You get what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I by so Schwester hat nicht a Huha. Okay, it is a Meidl mit a Huha. And what is this mutilating the body to confirm who you are? Etwas smart is it. Etwas smart. I feel as an der Erste. Hat schon ein Kind. Warum soll er nicht rupnehmen der Hoa? Because he got... Du sucht er, er macht dich gechillig. Very bad. Mandatory Mashiach now. Baby. Is he still planning to remove it? Meglich? I don't know. Maybe it's off. I don't think so. If I have to put down my money, I don't think it's off. Because breasts can man rausnehmen the tissue and man macht es richtig flat. The hoo-ha is a whole nother hoo-ha. Exactly. Well, we're busy with the plum. Sadly, das geschrieben Briss. There was a woman that went for a divorce, and she goes to the judge. Is he read wegen the divorce? And the judge looked, isn't it like a bris? And the Frau was like, no, but the bris, they take off a small part. Now I'm taking off his whole part. The whole thing. Where is der Weber? Must be a weird life. I must. Wie heißt das? Wenn Abby ist allein in daheim, kann sich verspielen. Go. Have a lovely and awesome day. Red days are needed in order to have green days. So nicht du kann 100% traders. 100% green? Not really. Made of. If you get what I'm saying. But it will turn around. Is he married? Ich meine, geworden nach Kalle. Was sie geworden nach Hussen. Was ist doch als Kalle. So confusing. Rabadabadabadam. But oi blam sagen, Abby kommt zurück und sie wird, she becomes firm. Titzt sich nach Spitzel? Like geht nur in der Waberschiel? Like, how does this work? Go, we all root for you, but Sally especially. Did-it-da-da-da, did-it-da-da-da, did-it-da-oh. Did-it-da-da-da-da-da, did-it-da-da. Is she in a relationship? Ja, ich meine so. I think they're even engaged. And not today, ich meine, sie ganz viel a shine Idol. If my memory serves me right. Sally, you gotta stab your eyes out now, huh? You open up the eyes and you're like, take him out! Take out the eye socket! Take it out! What I have seen. She's engaged to a girl, yes. It's a straight gay relationship. Lesbian. So confusing. Wer kauft the condoms then? Like, what's happening? I can never unsee it, huh? You know, sadly, when they do open surgery, brain surgery, sometimes they tell the person to play a musician to keep playing as they do the surgery to see. You're gonna go in and say, okay, take out that memory. I'm throwing up some. You know, in a few years from now, it will all work out. Like, it will all change. And he'll be 70 years old. In a wheelchair, whatever, like old, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to put in a wheelchair, but just for the picture. He'll roll around with the tits hanging out. I can't take this anymore. Avuni Am Israel. They should have taken him into Atzula. Hold on. As Abby zingt, is es Kol Isha? No? Alright. I was getting there. I don't know. Like. Wenn sie gesitzen mit Nachi, hat sie gesagt, please effen auf the Tier, weil es ist Yichit. Like, does all the Yichit thing happen? Hello, nerds, everybody. We're nerds. Till he gets rid of the hoo-ha. But the hoo-ha doesn't make him a woman. It doesn't make him a man. If somebody has an accident, a freak accident, and the hoo-ha comes off, they don't become a woman. You get what I'm saying? Calling all nerds. Mama Hazakami. Nerds unite. I'm an honorary. Always wanted to get those degrees. Simcha Raz. Good morning. Peter McGivane, amazing. I mean, you can go check out the live. Under the live tab. How was yours? How was yours, Simcha? Simcha Raz. How y'all doing? Your participation rhythm is in the mail. Nice. Do I get a commencement speech or something, or? Come on, I gotta get something. Welcome to class 2025. But Brooklyn, if somebody loses a hand, he loses a hand. Exactly. It doesn't make it or break it. If a meat board has no meat, is it still a meat board? Yeah. Not a nerd, a bit different. Okay. That's nerdy, Finny. That's a nerdy thing. Oh, nice. Again in the Holy Land. Good for you, Simcha. Ba-da-da. So who says it? Okay. Wer sagt? Because that determines a großer portion von dein body structure and wo du bist capable of zu tun. Ich red von 99%. Man red ist, so I big do the percentages wo sind medically different. So I big do. But man red von the majority. 99%. Du hast a certain chromosome, bist die D-Zat, und du hast XY, bist die andere Zat. The black market of transgender. No, because I'll tell you, Sally, ich bin ein größer Proponent für trying zu verstehen, Menschen ob mich gassen. It's mich gassen. As eine, you know, we don't judge. Wenn es kommt zu mich gassen. So, does it fall into mich gassen? Or they're trying to change the fabric of reality? That's my job description, Viggy. Sam, ich habe schon die Kasche for a while. Collective Michigassen that represents itself as individual Michigassen. Sam, ich habe eine question. Wenn man kommt heraus, du hast eine Michigan sickness oder a virus, lass mal nicht reden durch conspiracy. Lass mal gehen, if some crazy virus geht herin. 100, I'll understand your Michigassen. The 100 number said with the month fin. Someone said he doesn't believe the suicide hotline. I knew them, what do you mean? Whoever calls in, they never say, you know what, you take a jump. Like everybody should not jump. Everybody. Character definitely has a sense of humor. Religion and transgenders is not the same. Because religion you can change and transgender you cannot. Huh? Regardless of body part. What was I saying before? I wollte versuchen, but then I got away with the 800 number. Oh, I was saying, what's up, Segaiter I'm saying depends on how you feel inside. No, because feelings could be totally wrong. It's okay, als einer was aufgewachsen mit Meidlich, to feel mehr wie will sein am Meidl, the feminine parts, because they're aufgewachsen. So, back to what I was trying to say. As es kommt raus als ein mad virus oder etwas. Man kommt auf mit a certain pill, was Männer darf nehmen, and a certain pill, was women have to take. Male and female, for the XY chromosomes. Jeder will gewiss, wie steht. Wenn man geht zum Doktor, ja. Abby will gehen zum Doktor und sagt, okay, give me the female pills. No. So. That's the danger of no Torah. I don't know. What does he feel inside? Does he get excused when he's in the time with the mom? I think I'm becoming transgenics. The difference of transgender. Shia, sadly, because whoop. Good morning, Shia. Hello and welcome. Na, man schreit auf Trump, also gemacht hat mistake. Geriefen der Mais transgender, but it's nicht transgender Mais, is Judenics mice or whatever, transgenic mice. Modified mice was my test. Du nimmst dich von einem Chave? Von wem, Mann? Wer ist ein Chave? Reino Tumin. Es lohnt sich zu werden, suchst du von den Cakes und den Cookies, huh? Was Simchas Pfleger werden, trauen zu werden, geht mit einer von der Frauen, sagt sie mal rausbringen, the 7-layer cake. Sally, are you brisk walking with this? You know those people that are not jogging, not running, and not even walking, like somewhere nerdy in between. Has anybody seen the movie Yentl? Nope. Sadly, you hate those people. It feels like you're walking the same way. Wie heißt du? Wo suchst du hier? Schreib es in Englisch. Sie haben nicht kein Wabe. Self-hating brisk walker. As you get closer to another brisk walker, you're like, I'm not running. Trying to overcome the other guy. Herschel. Hello and welcome. Good morning. Welcome. What did Barbara Streisand ruin? But I can't afford one. Yeah, the prices of wives are going up. See, Abby would understand you. Abby is cheaper. Yeah. Shia. She started in the movie Yentl. Okay, so I'm watching the movie Yentl. Wie watch me the movie Yentl? No, he's saying he doesn't have a wife. Sadly, he wouldn't make a joke like that. Or he's not next to his wife. Sam, you hate glasses. You gotta be a nerd. You wanna be a nerd? You gotta love glasses, okay? The nerdy ones though. Here's the regular. Who wears the pants in Abby's relationship? Equal rights. Equal rights. Theoretical question. Equal pants. They buy a pants, they rip it in half. You wear one side, I wear the other side, and that's it. Gotta start with the Pesach music. Soon. Lass me noch ein bisschen enjoyen the wie heißt das? Pam 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 pam. Okay, I feel like GES guy de andere week. Still out there. Yes. Still fishy.
Walking by the trees, hearing everyone mostly singing melodies of what the world can be. The sun, the moon, the ocean.
Pam pam. Pam para. He felt that the tough questions. Sadly, madam. Sally with the questions. Who cleans the toaster? Wait, do they keep the seat on the toilet seat up or down? Now that's a question. Stood about it now. Do they have the fight with the toilet seat? So wie heißt der gesagt? Der hat lieb. He likes women. He doesn't like the new ones. The new women with without the hoo-has he likes. I also wearing my shirt tucked in, so. Sam, bist du ready in the nerd club? Man, you can try to get out of it, Austin the Glazer. You'll be a regular person in disguise, but a nerd. It's getting babyish. You'll worry about that. We're just having fun. It's called humor, CG. Brooklyn, what's the end of the two questions? Pinny G, you don't have a choice. You don't have a choice. Oh, shit. 30 seconds. Piram hamshalish vibes. We're gonna party on. We're gonna party on. It's Kamenish. It's Kamenish. We're gonna go cuckoo. Pinigi, I would love to be an accountant. All right. Do you like numbers, Sally? Do you remember 600 numbers? Huh? Do you wake up in the middle of the night thinking about 6 plus 6? Chalamoid Piram, yes. Also hat es gefühlt zintig, by the way. So gefühlt Chalamoid Piramish. Rapapapa. Sometimes I hate it where I can't find a $3 error. But when you do find it, Penny G, oh, wow. It must be pink Kool-Aid. Brooklyn, you imagine I came to do? Is that so? Hi. Hey Abby, welcome. Yes. Do you still have the plumbing downstairs? En vertelde 9. Thank you. Ze eindigt zich daar. Is er ga piram? Dus meer is er ga piram? Oké, zo ga je oké. I guess is er ga taste die chalamoid. Was ik heb niet doen movers hand, although some major mistakes. Wow. GLMD aber Erik verpasst. Please do a smooth broken aber. Your favorite. Not sour stars. If Brooklyn wants to come, we will definitely oblige. Is that the right word? I don't have an issue. Brooklyn is the king of memberships. So Brooklyn, die bist daarover komen. It's kind of fill anonymously, by the way. I used to have a channel, I still do have a channel, called Secrets Behind the Mic. So, meaning to say is, as me darf ich wissen, dass Brooklyn. You get what I'm saying? We're changing our voice, we won't show your face, and we'll call you Brooklyn. If you knew, you knew. Exactly. By the way, Jana, human realist. Good morning. Hello and welcome. How you doing? Where is this secret channel? It's on YouTube. Very hard to find. Sei schwer zu treffen. It's called Secrets Behind the Mic. You see a little mic. sehr schwer zu treffen. For some reason, it's people didn't like it. Human realist, you're not trying. You're already doing. You're already delivering. Oh, be the reason someone smiles. Okay, I can get behind this song. Be the reason that someone smiles. Io vicino fa. The $1 million question. Brooklyn shows up. Hey, Brooklyn, how are you? Good. So, how's the plumbing? Any leftovers in the Suda? Yes. Nächten habe ich gegessen Fish and gegessen the chicken. And tonight, I'm not going to be able to go live tonight because I have a gig, so. But we made some lunch from it. Yeah, we didn't throw out anything. I held back on making beef stew because I was getting a bit carried away with the food. But everything came out perfectly, like as in the amount of food, the amount of people. I was just thinking that maybe another 3 people would have been better, but it was great. A Jew getting carried away with food. Yeah. Does the pizza guy have a store? 9. I heist the pizza guy. He comes down to events. Parties, events. Make your pious back. Thank you, Sally. Really do appreciate. Make your pious. Was it to you, CJ? $10:55 in the morning. The reason it's yawning is because it's in the morning. It so kind of makes sense. Who doesn't yawn in the morning? Exactly, Brooklyn. Depending for what, Sally? Oh, shit. Sadly. You're so elegant. I'm an elegant. Oh, shit. It's Rabbi Elegant to you, miss. Listen, there is cameras here. I can't just be yawning my schnitzel off. You know what I'm saying? Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-bam. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-bam. 12:27. Spielt sich herin du mit den Nerven. Brooklyn, never say never. Never say never. Say you don't want. Did it in line? Never say never. Very polite. Thank you, Sally. Did it on the line? Oh. Brooklyn, jetzt weiß man, dass die will, sucht sie. Da-da, da-da, da-da. Da-da, da-da, da-da. You don't have to be on video, we can change your voice. But no pressure, Brooklyn. It's no pressure. With no pressure, it's much fresher. I need to start a podcast. Your first question would be like, so how's your plumbing? Well, funny you ask. But I loathe the internet. Not an easy place. I think Brooklyn is shy in public. That's even cuter. Hello, you do. Lo you do, lo you do, lo you do. Okay. GES. Okay, give them a red day. Today was a red day, Chevra. Kimst in Lizensk. Also du a ticket from mit my nummer? Of course. Lo you do. I'm actually looking for a plumber today. You wouldn't believe it. Brooklyn. We need plumbing blueprints. Ich will mal alles wissen. Ich will mal alles wissen. Jeden Tag kommt zu laufen, alle Verbe. Ich liebe the end von der. We're gonna listen to it the last 5 minutes and then we're gonna call today's live an end. Oh, ay, 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 Darf noch werden, also ich sag besser. There's so much error. I missed this one. GLMD, I missed. Det ganze move it off. Colorful shorts. Guten Sie Morgen. How you doing? N-O-V-E, N-A-O-V, mit den ganzen Ausgenart. But what could we do? Ba-da-ba-da-da. We'll run after Scooby-Doo. We'll see the panda in the zoo. We'll use some crazy glue. We'll go to a few. We'll blow a few ooze. We'll make it in the news. We'll drive down the highway and we'll hit the cruise. Brooklyn is a Soviet turtle. Get a leg around the cup and down shell and be like, I'm not afraid. I'm just kidding. I don't even know Brooklyn. That's why we could make all these jokes. Create a coin called Viggy coin, dump and pump, and then when you make money. No. Kann ich de hard zu machen. Pump and dump. I had challenges in my life which I could have walked away and I chose not to. So it's not something I do. Ra-pa-pa-pa-pa-pa. And then go travel at your own will. But I wouldn't be able to sleep as ich habe Geld im Kusher. And pump and dump is taking people's hard-earned money, so no. Volvi! Good morning, good morning. Boom, 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 boom. No, I don't need, Sally, I don't need respect. Shia, good. Shia, I'll join you with the fun. How was the plunge, huh? Oh yeah, Sally, you love. Sally, you love. Hold on, we gotta make a rewind here. Sally is using his name, your name. Oh, you do, oh, you do. Body don't. No, you do. Nicht jetzt, Shia. I say, you know. Ba-da-da-da. Kein hat nicht lieb, wenn man rief Zeros in public, Brooklyn. But the business reserved? Well, there's a mic and headphones and situation ready for you. Ob die will skimmen, but no pressure. Viggy, there's nothing really with Viggy. With Penny? Maybe we'll make one big podcast with everybody. You know what I mean? We'll make one day a meet, greet. Everybody will come with their bodyguards. High cast. Oh, well, wie? When gaan we het op een hike? I should interview Izzy. Izzy has to willingly. Es ist in der Society nicht so gering sich herauserlegen. A meet and greet. Yes, everybody will come with their security. It's not podcast. It's called a schmooze. Exactly. Thank you for the mannen. Podcasts sind ein ugh. Yeah, we gotta watch out. Podcast only with weirds. Yes. With weirdos. Schmies. Schmooze. I think Brooklyn, you don't know. We'll be the judge on that, okay? You'll see all the downvotes. Then we'll talk. Weißt du, man? Gib mir du heran, du Pini. No. We want you. Schmies rhymes with sneeze. Listen. And then I have a podcast with my niece. Brrr. We'll give a sneeze. We'll have a schmooze. We'll grow some grooves. We'll blow it out of our news. Oh. Okay. Because it's a different... Shia. Beim foot of the 17, foot man of the 17. Hat gut nicht mit der FDR. Jetzt foot man up the road. And actually I have to go in a few minutes. So I'm just procrastinating getting off. You get what I'm saying, Shia? Ich fühle, wie ich hab gelost Geld hand auf den Tisch. The procrastination? Ja, größer Ebbes. Like I said, if I'm toegegangen zum Doktor, I need a pill, something to focus. So I got the pill. 2 days later, I come to the doctor again. I'm like, bro, I'm busy focusing that I need to focus, but I'm not focusing on anything. You know what I'm saying? What? Did your head on a swivel? We're only humans by the end of the game. Sind wir Fleisch im Bein. In the mall hat man ein bisschen Zeit, depending on how healthy you are. Sind ich du kein Momentum. The größte Stack is 50%. 57 points up. Es ist absolutely gut nicht. Alright, Chevra. The Abby comment about Palestine turned me off. Ich meine, als sie hat gepickt a side, if you get what I'm saying. Du gemacht hat, dus ist es. So sie darf picken, alles was sie picken, pickt man. Städtelboy. Good morning. How are you doing? Welcome. Make some noise. You're here with the boys. We are nerds. In zijn nerds, du. Man hat du gemacht. With the nerdy boys. It's kind of behind the... Wie sieht man das? Behind the bleachers, oder sind wir in the computer science class? The transition I can handle, but the PAL stuff. Listen, different views. Okay. Let's get a plumber. Brooklyn, have a lovely and awesome day. She became dumber the older he got. By the end of the game, walked weg met a pair of tits. I don't know about you. Yeah. 11-11. For the people that have a significant idea about time, 11:11. Wow, what a longest stream, man. Listen. Wow. All right, peoples. A winner by who? Bazir. When he got around the shower, get a kick up, and he's like, I got the tools. I'm just kidding. All right, Gevres, ich komme der Zeit, sich zu gesegnen von der handigen Stream. Hoe geben mich koich für jede eine, was du gewinnt? Für eine lange Zeit, für eine kurze Zeit, für die ganze Zeit. Da viele das umgegangen auf andere Tab. Und da viele gemacht Mute auf der andere Tab. Thank you. Warum ich mein dir? Hat bist du consider liking, sharing and subscribing. Hoe geben mich koich für alle Menschen, die haben geliked, geshared, gecomment, du gewinnt, für eine second. Open and closed. Housekeeping. Ich habe eine Gig hand Nacht, so no live tonight. We party at 200k subscribers. Hopefully, we machen een stukje party. I will consider subscribing. Okay, housekeeping. Hand Nacht en niet doe kan live. 3 nights in a row, was kann ich tun, wenn es kommt daran Gigs, wenn es kommt daran Geld, you know. Kann ich jugen nein, wenn es kommt daran Geld. Noch nicht, wir können noch nicht jugen. Hopefully soon, hat man nicht darf mal rausgehen. Ich kann es an live, was hat sagen, nicht fruitful für die lives. But jeder was an Zeit. Alrighty. Ich kann euch von du an. Until next time. With no stadium tonight. No stadium, a kleiner Giggle. A kleiner Giggle mit a Jiggle. All right. Until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.